One of the question I hear all the time is how can a brand sell a $60 product on a keyword that costs $4 a click? There's no way they are making money. Honestly, it's a fair question. For example, imagine you are selling a premium leather wallet and the top keyword is leather wallet and the CPC is around $4 a click. Immediately you will think if I pay $4 for each click, there's no way I'll able to make it profitable. But then you see the major brands are dominating for that keyword every single day. So how they are doing it? The answer is simple. They probably not paying as much as high CPC like you. Many sellers think Amazon PPC is just a auction bidding, but it's not. Because Amazon PPC is combination of auction bidding with relevancy. Just because you are paying $4, that doesn't mean that your product will be shown in the top of search. For example, imagine you are selling a yoga mat product and you are running a campaign by targeting a keyword like protein shaker bottle. Now, if you are paying $100 CPC for this particular keyword, most likely Amazon will never show your product because Amazon knows your product is a yoga mat. So, whenever anyone searching by the keyword protein shaker bottle, they will not show your product most likely because they understand the person is searching for that keyword, they will not purchase the yoga mat. So even with this very high bid, Amazon is unlikely to show and give you the top of search placement just because the item is not relevant with the keyword. Now, if you compare with the actual protein shaker bottle seller, you will see for that keyword, they are only bidding like $2 and getting most of the sales and traffic because Amazon have the historical data. Amazon knows this product is selling for this keyword and also the reviews, ratings, everything together, they will charge lower CPC and give more traffic just because for this relevancy. And this is where most seller misunderstood the PPC. PPC rank will not give you based on the like only bid. Amazon have all the historical data. So they will check the relevancy, they will check the CTR, they will check the CVR, and based on that, they will give you the actual rank. Now, if I go back to the original example that I was giving about the bigger brand who is like dominating the top of search placement. So for those brand, you will see they have thousands of reviews, like years of sales data and like customer engagement, organic sales, CTR, CVR. So all these data together, Amazon sees the relevancy and Amazon will always try to give the shoppers like faster solution. So whenever any shopper will come to Amazon and like search with any keyword, Amazon will see which product have the highest chance of getting sales for this particular keyword, and based on those data Amazon will give your product the rank. So when a new seller enter in the Amazon, then they don't have any like sales history, reviews and rating, customer engagement, CTR, CVR. That's why Amazon need much more aggressive bidding for this new seller. So they understand the relevancy and Amazon can get the idea that this is also like trusted item that customer are buying. So to get this initial visibility as a new seller, you need to pay higher CPC rather than the older or like bigger brand who have a very strong background on Amazon. That's why a new seller will often see higher ACOS, higher like costing, CPC, like slower organic rank, and also like lower search impression. So it's not like Amazon dislike your product. It's basically Amazon need more data to build the trust and understand the relevancy with this keyword. And whenever your item will started to generate this data and Amazon have those data, then you will start to see the CPC slowly going down. You can say like the PPC is a way like you are paying Amazon to build a trust for your product, and based on that in future you will see a very good CTR, like you are getting much more conversions and lower your cost like in future. Whenever you are seeing any high CPC, if you are just aiming for lower down the CPC you are bidding, then that's not a correct way. You need to have a budget, and mostly I will suggest you don't need to target so many keywords. You can just target top major keywords like 5 to 10 keywords. These 10 keyword will give you the most like sales, and also most of the like other keyword will also be like getting ranked because of those 10 keyword or 5 keyword you are focusing on PPC. And whenever you are seeing the CTR, CVR sales velocity started to increase, later on you will also see your product is getting organic rank, and you are also getting more and more organic sales. So eventually your tacos will get way lower when you are able to build this trust. So that's why initially you have to pay high CPC to reach that goal. So if you are struggling with high CPC, poor keyword ranking, struggling to get traffic for the major keywords, or your competitor are getting or dominating your top keyword, then you can send us a mail at info@eComclips.com. We'll do a free audit and we'll share with you an action plan that you can follow to grow your brand on Amazon. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your biggest PPC challenge you are facing right now. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.